The battery in your 2016 Mazda 6 key fob is likely a CR2032 coin cell. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob. First, locate the release button or seam on the back of the fob near the key blade. Use the pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the case, applying even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Then remove the old battery, noting the orientation, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive terminal facing the circuit board. Reassemble the case, snapping it back together. Test the fob to ensure it locks and unlocks properly. If it fails, try reseating the battery or consider professional repair if the circuit board is damaged. To prevent damage during battery replacement, work in a static-free environment and dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. A common issue is key fob failure in cold weather, which can drain the battery faster due to lithium chemistry. Newer Mazda models use low-power Bluetooth chips for longer battery life, and digital alternatives like Phone as Key are emerging. While physical batteries will likely be phased out over time, for your 2016 Mazda 6, the CR2032 remains the standard. If the fob case cracks during the process, OEM replacements are available but costly. Check battery expiration dates to avoid leaks. Consider having the battery checked during annual tune-ups to prevent issues.